Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to remove friends in Snapchat. So this is actually pretty easy and a very fast one. So let's start our video. So here, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Snapchat application. In your Snapchat application, you want to go to your friends section. So to go to your friends section, you want to click on the top left of your screen. That's where your profile is. And from here, when you actually scroll down, you'll see the My Friends section under the Friends section there. Just click on My Friends, and from here, you'll be able to see all of your friends here. So there's actually 3 ways for us to actually remove someone as a friend on Snapchat. So the first way is you want to go ahead and click on their name here. That's basically going to their chats here, and just click on their name again at the very top. And here you want to click on the 3 dotted icon that you see at the top right of your screen there. And from here, you just want to click on Manage Friendship, and you'll see the Remove Friend option there. So that's the first way. But we have the much easier way of doing that. When you actually go to your My Friends here, you just want to just hold click on your friend there, and from here you'll see the Manage Friendship option. So just click on Manage Friendship, and from here you'll see the Remove Friend option. You could go ahead and just click on that, and that would remove them from your friends list. But we also have the third way, but this is just for extreme cases. So if you actually block someone on Snapchat, they will also be unfriended if you choose that option there. So if by some reason you really hate that person, you could go ahead and block them on Snapchat, and they won't be able to send messages or snaps to your account, never. So but that's for extremes cases only. But if you just want to remove them, go ahead, just click on Remove Friend, and here's just going to ask you, are you sure you want to remove the following user as a friend? And just click on the remove button there to confirm, and they will be removed as your friend on Snapchat. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoy this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.